Standard configuration on the pedestal, the camera is sitting on top of the hi-hat here with a 100mm half-pole adapter, but it also could be a standard tripod head. When you want to do a distance readout between the camera film plane and the chart, you simply turn on the laser beam and then line it up to the film reference on the camera itself. This will give you an instant digital readout of the distance between the camera film plane and the chart. We also now added the film plane encoder. With the film plane encoder, there's no longer the need to move the camera on the dovetail to line it up with the laser. Now the laser moves on a slider along the pedestal side, and we can now line up the film plane to the laser by simply moving the laser on the tracks. And we have an instant digital readout. This is also particularly useful when you have, let's say, a longer lens, and now you can move the camera to a separate location on the pedestal, which is now fitted with additional set of 4 holes to mount the hi-hat. So in this case, I have a very long lens. Let's say I can just move the film plane and do a reading instantly without having to move the camera on dovetail. Also, in this configuration, I can add another system. In this particular case, let's say we put on a projector in the front all sets, and now if I want to do a readout of the distance, I can just move the laser, line up the film plane of the projector, and voila, I have an instant digital readout of the distance from the film plane of the projector to the screen. In this particular configuration, we no longer need to have the center mounted laser.